The performance of the Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory is a testament to the brand's commitment to producing cutting-edge superbikes that excel in every aspect of speed, handling, and control. With 217 horsepower emanating from its 1077 cubic centimeters V4 engine, the RSV4 1100 factory is a true powerhouse. The bike accelerates with remarkable ferocity, reaching exhilarating speeds in seconds, thanks to its highly responsive engine that pairs immense power with a smooth and immediate throttle response. The torque delivery is linear and aggressive, ensuring that no matter the gear or rev range, the bike always feels ready to surge forward with an unrelenting force. The advanced 6-speed gearbox, complemented by a bidirectional quickshifter, offers smooth and precise gear changes, ensuring that shifting never interrupts the flow of power. Whether on a racetrack or navigating winding roads, the RSV4 1100 factory delivers peak performance that's as thrilling as it is refined. The engine at the core of the Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory is a 1077 cubic centimeters V4, which combines superbike racing DNA with everyday usability. This engine features an advanced liquid-cooled design and is paired with a sophisticated ride-by-wire throttle system that provides incredibly precise throttle control. The engine's high-revving nature allows it to perform at peak efficiency at both low and high RPMs, delivering an engaging experience whether cruising at moderate speeds or pushing the bike to its limits on the track. The V4 engine is mated to a lightweight, yet durable, aluminum frame and an advanced exhaust system designed to enhance performance while reducing weight. The result is an agile and responsive bike that offers a harmonious balance of power and handling. Additionally, the RSV4 1100 factory is equipped with a host of electronic enhancements that optimize engine performance, including multiple ride modes that adjust power delivery and throttle response based on rider preference and riding conditions. Riding the Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory is a sensational experience, thanks to its perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, agile handling, and a focused rider interface. The bike's handling is further enhanced by its Öhlins suspension system, which provides exceptional feedback and control through both smooth and rough surfaces. The fully adjustable suspension ensures that riders can fine-tune the ride to their specific preferences or track requirements, allowing for precise adjustments to preload, rebound, and compression damping. In addition, the advanced APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control, system includes a comprehensive suite of rider aids, such as traction control, wheelie control, and a cornering ABS system, which works seamlessly to enhance stability and control during aggressive cornering and hard braking. The electronic systems also provide a level of customization that allows the rider to fine-tune performance, ensuring that the bike responds exactly how the rider desires.